Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 3 divided by 3 divided by 3 and again divided by 3. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. 3 divided by 3 gives us 1. And again we have here 3 divided by 3 which equals 1. And 1 divided by 1 gives us just 1. But this answer is not correct. No, correct path. Here we have these 3 divisions and we have to work from left to right. So 3 divided by 3 gives us 1. 1 and let's recopy, divided by 3 and again divided by 3. 1 divided by 3 can be written as 1 over 3 then divided by 3. Here, according to the KCF rule, KCF, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. Our second fraction is 3 divided by 1. So, we can write 1 over 3 times 1 over 3 and this is equal to 1 over 3 times 3 gives us 9. So our final answer to this problem is 1 over 9.